Good morning, children. Now we will begin with our social study revision work. All of you come to lesson number 3, changes in the transport system. Okay, now see, this lesson we have already done. So today every distance is achievable. It means we can reach everywhere. And how we can go everywhere? It is because of the improved means of transportation communication available worldwide. Today, the latest supersonic aircraft can travel around the world within 18 hours, right? So, now what you have to learn from this, we have got means of transport. Now, you will learn there are mainly three means of transport. They are land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, you will learn this. Yes, you will learn this. Now, come to land transport. This is land transport. So, in this, you will learn whatever is ticked. Okay, India is the largest network of road in the world. The major road connecting state capitals and important cities in India are called national highways. Now, for road transport, you will learn fastest means of transport. Which are those? Car, buses, scooter, trucks. And what they need Pakka road. But you should know which are the vehicles for road transport. Then you will come to rail transport. Now, railways are an ideal important means of long distance transportation. Now, the first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane. We have the largest turn to page railway network in Asia. So, and it is the fourth largest in the world. You learn this. Then you will learn this all the tick ones. The longest railway route is between Jammu Tawi in the north to Kanyakumari. Then you will learn some trains like Tejas, Rajdhani, and Shatabdi Express run at a very fast speed train. Now you should know which is the fast speed train. So learn the names. Learn the names from here. Yes, now you will learn this also. Oh, I've taken Delhi is the second city in India to have the metro rail. The Delhi Metro is the world's 12th largest system. So whatever I've ticked, you have to learn all that. You should know about your capital, Delhi. So you should know what all is happening. Now you learn the air transport also. All the major ones you will learn. Yeah, all the major cities of India are all connected with the airport. Now, and in that you will learn the names of the airport. There are 17 international airports and 88 domestic aerodromes. Some of the important airports in India are, you will learn all these names. You must learn. Indira Gandhi International Airport at Delhi, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport at Kolkata, and Minambakam at Chennai. All these names you will learn. Then you will learn this also. Main seaports in India, 13 seaports in India. Where are they? You will learn all the names over here. Right up to Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Airport and Kandla. All these are the different means of transport system has made our life more comfortable and advanced. So you learn this name also. Where I have written learn, you will learn. Now turn to page number 26 and here you will do the revision work. You will write in your rough notebook whatever I have put a ticked on this. Yes, achievable, Pakka road, supersonic, hmm, disaster, rescue, aerodrome, port. This you will learn and you will write in your rough notebook. This you will learn. Whatever I have put a tick on it, you will learn it. Okay, now we come to our exercise part. Multiple choice question. This you will write in your rough notebook. Which of the following pair is wrong? Choose the correct option to answer the following question correctly. Now we'll choose the correct one. National highway connects state capital. True. Hmm? State highway connects town in a state. Wrong. District road connects international borders. Wrong. Now this thing wrong it is. Now which country has the largest railway network in Asia? China, Japan, India. So we have done From these two, you have to choose the correct one. Which is the fastest? No, the longest railway route lies between Jammu Tawai, Kanyakumari. Put a tick on it. Which is the fastest means of transport? Airways. Put a tick on it. Now we'll come to this you have already done in your classwork notebook, so no need to write this. Now you'll be writing this also. Read the following statement carefully and mark right on true and wrong on the false one. District road connects the state capital. True. Travel by air is not comfortable. False. The water transport is the fastest means of transport. False. There are 13 major seaports in India. True. Turn. Revision work, write in the rough notebook. Now you again fill in the blanks. India has the fourth largest network of railway in the world. Fourth. In India, the first railway train steamed off in 1853. Dash is the fastest means of transport, air transport. There are dash international airports, 17. This also you'll write in rough notebook. This also you will write down in your rough notebook. Match the following. National highway connects state capital and important cities. Fast speed train, Shatabdi Express. Highest road in the world, Leh Manali Road. The Delhi Metro is the world's 12th largest system. So all this you'll be writing in your rough notebook. And then in this come to life skill. Here you will make a chart showing various means of transport. In the chart you can draw. You can draw or you can stick a picture. Now here you will draw an aeroplane in the given space and color it. Here you will draw the aeroplane and you will color it. Okay children, so this revision work should be complete. And see that you do all your learning work nicely and all your classwork notebook is up to date. Okay, so children, have a good day and see that all your work is complete and up to date. The written work and the learning work, write it down neatly. Okay children, take care.